Meaning of grove.
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 Grove. The word grove refers to a small group of trees growing together, usually without undergrowth. Groves of trees are often found in parks, gardens, and forests. They can also be cultivated for commercial purposes, such as the production of fruit or nuts. Groves have been associated with spiritual or religious practices throughout history, particularly in ancient Greece where they were used as sacred sites for worship. In literature, groves are often used as a symbol of natural beauty, serenity, and refuge. Overall, groves represent a haven of trees that provide shade, shelter, and beauty to those who enjoy them.